Hello everyone, Namaste. Myself Dr. Bhavna Manoj from Divine Veda. And as explained in the previous video, we were talking about psoriasis, its different types, conditions, symptoms and causes. And today we are going to give more importance to the dietary and lifestyle management for the condition of psoriasis. Let's get into the video. So as explained in the previous video, psoriasis is an autoimmune disorder where the genetic and environmental factors plays the supportive role. And here in Ayurveda, this is classified as Kushta. So let me once again remind you about the triggering factors of psoriasis. Hereditary causes, environmental factors, emotional stress, trauma, cold weather, alcohol consumption, and one which we are going to talk about, the improper diet and lifestyle. So what are the diet that we have to completely avoid in this condition? So first is complete avoiding of Viruddha Ahara or the incompatible foods or the opposite foods. Each food has a very peculiar combination to the taste and response to the body and digestive system. So let me guide you with some of the examples of the incompatible foods. Milk and curd taken together. Honey and ghee taken in equal quantities. Milk, fish and honey taken together. Fish and curd. Chicken and curd. Milk with any of the fruits together. Having a cup of cold water then followed by a hot tea. All these can be considered as very much negative and opposite combinations. This kind of food habits can disrupt the digestive process of the person and create the imbalance of doshas in your body. So in short, it can be said as whatever be the type of the disease, the main problem is your faulty diet and a faulty lifestyle habit. Avoid taking too much of spicy, fried and salty foods in your diet. Let me give you an example. Compare your body as fire and compare these negative foods, which are the spicy kind of foods, as ghee. So what happens when you pour ghee into fire? It will burn. Yes, the same way, by taking all these kinds of spicy fried foods in your diet, your body will again burn like fire. And these kind of symptoms can again cause your body to negative reactions. So better avoid all these kinds of spicy fried foods from your diet. If you are a person suffering from psoriasis or having these kind of symptoms, it is always better to avoid these kinds of foods. Stay away from foods like black gram, fermented foods, junk and bakery products, refrigerated and cold food items. All these can contribute to psoriasis. So it is better to stay away from them. Also, intake of fishes like shellfish, squids, dry salted fishes, prawns can be avoided. Too sweet and high carb diets can also be better avoided from your diet. It's always better to limit foods which are non-veg like chickens, porks, etc. Alcohol and tobacco consumptions can be avoided. So are you a person who consumes lot amount of curd, pickles and tamarinds in your diet? It's better to avoid them too. And here are some group of acidic foods that also need to be reduced and maximally removed from your diet. Not just that, there are some lifestyle managements to be corrected, and let's talk about them. Here are some lifestyle corrections to be added. First is day sleep. According to Ayurveda, it is termed as Divaswapna, which is always negative for your body because this can increase the Kapha dosha in your body. This Divaswapna is only advised in the Grishma Ritu or the summer season. Next is excess exposure to sunlight. Prolonged use of air-conditioned rooms. Mental stress and strain. Yes, this can also increase and flare up the conditions of psoriasis. It will be surprising to know that Ayurveda believes that the deeds of past life can actually cause a factor in this condition. Now, let us talk about the wholesome diet one has to follow to get cured from this condition. First is intake of easily digestible foods. Yes, intake of these kinds of easily digestible foods are always helpful and healthy for the body. Intake of proper amount of water. It is very important to have proper supply of water because this is the easiest way to detox your body, which will help you to excrete out the impurities and keep your body calm and cool. Green leafy vegetables like drumstick leaves, spinach can be added to your diet. Also, the fruits which have good amount of water content like watermelon, muskmelon, cucumbers can be taken as fruit salads to your diet. Having a glass of buttermilk as a post-lunch drink. You can add curry leaves, coriander leaves, ginger, shallots to them according to your taste. So this is also very helpful to keep your body calm and cool, which will help you to reduce the symptoms too. Intake of Bermuda grass juice is also very effective for the condition. Durva grass is also very helpful for reducing the symptoms of psoriasis. Ayurveda has explained a large varieties of medicines in this condition, but each and every medicines depend upon the condition of the patients or the avastha of the roga or the rogi. So if you are a person having the symptoms or having these conditions, you can start altering your diet with the above informations. I hope this video was helpful and informative for everyone. And in the coming days, me and my team would be sharing some of the treatment modalities followed in Ayurveda. And we will be also sharing some of the results that we have got treating these conditions. If you have missed watching our first video on psoriasis, we will be giving the link in our description box. Please do click and watch the video. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel. And do press the bell icon to stay connected with Divine Veda and to get informative with the upcoming videos. So Divine Veda as a team is here to propagate Ayurveda and to let people know the importance of this pristine science. So until the next video, here's Dr. Bhavna Manoj signing off. Stay connected with Divine Veda. Thank you. Stay home and stay safe.